Hello students, good morning to all of you. I am Bablu Kumar, teaching in Jesus Seminary School. In the last video, I had to stop due to electronic device mistake. So I am going to continue my discussion. Now, importance of chemistry, food and agriculture. So as we know that chemistry has played an important role in the field of agriculture through the use of many chemical compounds such as fertilizers, pesticides, weedicides and preservatives. What is fertilizers? So fertilizers are commonly known as manure, which when added to the soil make the soil more productive. The water holding capacity of the soil also increases on addition of manure, making the soil good for plant growth. There are some kinds of example of fertilizers, some types of examples of fertilizers: urea, phosphate, so on. Now pesticides is used when crops tend to be attacked by organisms that damage them, and these organisms such as rodents, insects, unwanted plants, fungi, bacteria and viruses are called pests that are used to destroy pest infestations to protect crops from damage. Now third point is that the second point is that minerals and petroleum. A mineral may be defined as any naturally occurring inorganic solid that has a definite chemical composition and possess a crystalline structure. The study of minerals is known as mineralogy. The word petroleum is derived from the Latin word petra, meaning rock, and oleum, meaning oil. It is also called black gold or liquid gold. So petroleum is a complex mixture of a number of hydrocarbons which serve as raw material for the production of thousands of different organic compounds. Products such as petrol, diesel, paraffin wax and kerosene are separated from crude oil. Now medicine. Chemistry has played an important role in making medicines. Most of the diseases, injuries and treatments involve chemicals and chemical processes. By understanding chemistry, we are able to develop drugs that fight diseases and develop a healthier environment. Now fourth one is industries. As we know that there are so many industries that depend on chemistry for development of growth of their products. So chemistry and study of different chemicals have increased the efficiency of industrial processes. Chemicals play a major role in food industries. Industries are set up to manufacture a variety of products such as medicine, detergents, polymers, and plastics. Now, fourth one is consumer product. Knowledge of chemistry has played in the production of different products that are used by consumers. These products include household products such as cooking utensils, electronics items, cosmetic, building materials. Textile. The textile industry is one of the major industry. Wearing of clothes is a characteristic that is unique to human. According to evidence, spinned, dyed, and knitted flax fibers were used by humans almost 30,000 years ago. The art of weaving is believed to have originated about 27,000 years ago. So chemistry also plays an important role for the development of textile and clothing. The last one is transportation. Transportation. Civilization brought in the aviation of cars, aircraft, and other means of transportation. Transportation facilitated the movement of human beings and goods from one place to another place. Chemistry and the know-how of processes to extract fuel from crude oil made transportation possible. So, in this way, transportation is also a gift of chemistry. Now, harmful effects of chemistry. We have seen that chemistry is a branch of science that plays very important role in the modern age. Numerous products which fill our lives with happiness and comfort. Chemical substances like RDX, TNT, and other chemicals are used to cause harm. Understanding of chemistry and its application had led to increased industrializations. This in turn has depleted, depleted natural resources and has harmed our environment. So, chemistry is both beneficial and harmful to all of us. So, we should carefully use the product that is developed by chemistry, and we should not try to harm our environment due to use of lot of chemical product. I hope this video is very good for you and you enjoyed watching this video. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.